Glide, baby, glide, make your mother sad. She old enough to know better. The king or married girl while in the kitchen cooking blackbird for the queen. The queen while in the bird breaking piano for the children of the king. Glide, baby, glide, make your mother sad. She old enough to know better. So glide, baby, glide. The king was in the garden picking flowers for a friend who came to play. The queen was in the playroom painting pictures for the children holiday. Glide, baby, glide, make a mother sigh. She old enough to know better. So glide, baby, glide. The Duchess of the Kirkwood always smiling and a loving repartee. The Duke was having problem with the message at the local bargain bill. Glide, baby, glide, make a mother sigh. She old enough to know better. So glide, baby, glide. At the 12 o'clock a meeting round the table for a scene in the dark. Which was the hour nowhere but on especially where the children for love. Glide, baby, glide, make your mother sad. She old enough to know better. So glide, baby, glide, 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 baby. Make your mother sad. She old enough to know better. Glide, baby, glide, 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 glide. Make your mother sad. She old enough to know better. So glide, baby, glide.